Okay, today I'm doing a test with ice cream. I have a cone on 2 chopsticks, and if we take a shot, you will see the lighting. And it's just one flash, stands over there with a reflector, bouncing and ceiling, very soft, big light. And maybe we need a bit more from the side when we take the final shot later on. And then I probably bounce back a bit of light. Something like this. Can be nice to have a bit on the left side too there. But now to the big challenge. To make ice cream, fake ice cream. I've been looking around a lot on internet how to do this. And one of the popular ways is to use cream cheese icing, style icing. So let's try this one, and let's try to make some strawberry ice cream. So we have this, and then I have florsocker. Flor. Why is it called flor? You know, this very powdery sugar. And then some very extremely expensive dried strawberries, some red food coloring. And then I have some jam also. Strawberry jam, we'll see. So let's start by mixing. And it looks like this. It looks actually a bit like ice cream already, but we need to add a bit of this sugar, I think. So we start somewhere, start around there. Mixing needs to be thicker, much thicker, I would say. This will be the sweetest thing ever made. This is a lot of sugar. Maybe we can start adding some food coloring already. Should be very, very careful with this. Whoops. Because it's extremely powerful, this food coloring. This is slow TV. Okay, now I think we're getting closer to the consistency we like. And now I think I will add some strawberries dried. Maybe I should try to add some strawberry jam. I don't know. Probably I should add this at the end. But I just would like to see what will happen. There is no recipe here, guys. You just have to test. And I have no idea if we will succeed or not. Well, what a mess. I wonder if it's possible somehow to make this look like ice cream. Let's take a shot. There we are. And then we can take bounce with this one. See what we get. Does it look like ice cream? A bit. Sort of. You can add a bit of jam. Let's see. So we don't, this will not tip over. It's a bit front heavy. If I try to lean this back just a tiny bit like that. I have some strawberry joggy. Let's see if it looks like melted ice cream. Let's put some here. The jam. Too bright actually. Maybe I can add some food coloring so it matches. Normally there is food stylists doing this, you know, but when you would like to do something for your portfolio, well, you can hire a food stylist if you can find one and if you can feel that you can afford one. Otherwise, you have to do it yourself, you know. I really need to put this up so we will have some bounce back. Really need that. I'll put this up here. Test shot. Now, let's see if we can make some melting action. Let's take a look. What do we got here? Okay, there we are. You know, not exactly how I expected it to go. Need to work on the ice cream a bit more, I feel, so it will look even more realistic, you know. Yeah, but there we are. Very nice strawberries. Okay, thanks a lot for watching, and thanks to all the members, coffee supporters. If you'd like to join the channel, support the channel, click the join button or go over to patreon.com/Botvidsson. And remember, as always, I will see you next
time.